Good morning and welcome to this week's What's the Buzz with Miss Hardy and Mr. Reggio. This week is an exciting week. This is our next to the last week of this quarter. We are cooking with gas, taking names. Today's edition is coming out on Tuesday because I want to remind everybody about Quizapalooza. This Wednesday during Wonder Wednesday, we are hosting Quizapalooza, a once-in-a-lifetime sale event where we're going to have kids come in to make up their lowest skill assessment grade. And we had such a good suggestion from one of our students yesterday that we're going to try to incorporate it tomorrow. So just make sure that your child's space is in the place tomorrow for Wonder Wednesday. This week, Common Lits. We took time in class yesterday to make sure that everybody had their Common Lit for Monday done in first, second, and fourth. So our Common Lit for Monday was Grace Hopper. The one for Wednesday, March the 20th, is Ain't I a Woman about Sojourner Truth. Don't forget our Khan Academy punctuation lessons are due the 27th. And if your child is in the honor section, their second honors extension assignment deadline is next Friday. So this week, we're into the Cyclops. So yesterday was Ketchup and Mustard Day, where we had an opportunity to catch up and to saturate ourselves with some mustard. Today, we're going to do the Cyclops episode of The Odyssey. I'm so excited. The kids love the Cyclops. Tomorrow, we're going to do some Cyclops group work. We're going to do section evidence charts that we've been doing here lately to get them used to getting their lives wrapped around extracting textual evidence out of text. And we're going to watch The Odyssey Thursday and Friday. Don't forget, this Friday, we're having our vocabulary quiz. So I want to see your kids' face in the place for Quizapalooza this Wednesday. Thank you.